So hey guys, welcome back. What's going on? We're at 4652 Warner Road in Garfield Heights. Just walking the property for the first time. My partner and acquisitions manager, Tyler, just found this property. Just closed on it last night. This is a 5-unit multifamily property. These are the kind of properties that we're buying right now. We're buying for cash flow, we're buying for equity, we're building our balance sheet. Each unit gets about $600 per month, so about $7,000 per year times 5 units. It's about $33,000 to $35,000 a year in rental income. Right now, the building is totally stable. We got 4 units rented out. They're all rented out to family members, grandma, aunts, uncles, the little cousins. They're all running around. They all live here. They're all happy. So when we got this property, Tyler knew one of our local wholesalers. They're what we call a real estate transaction entrepreneur. So if you've been through some of our trainings, that's a real estate wholesaler, somebody who transacts real estate with none of their own cash, none of their own credit. They got the property under contract, basically showed it to Tyler. We bought it right away. We paid them about a $5,000 assignment fee to buy the property. So we bought it for $135,000. We're gonna put about $10,000 in, some of the exterior, the cement, the outside work, basically cleaning up the violations. But we'll be all in for $150,000, and based on the comps, based on the income, this building's gonna appraise for between $210,000 to about $230,000. And our plan is to simply fill up this 5th unit, cash flow it, and then refinance it. So we'll be all in for, let's say, $220,000, refinance it using a new loan with a bank at about 70% of the value, and we'll pay off our private lender. Pay off that guy for $150,000, $155,000, $160,000 with interest. We'll have about $70,000 of equity in this deal, and about $800 to $900 a month of net free positive cash flow. It's not gonna set the world on fire, but it's about $10,000 a year of extra income, right? So what could you do with an extra $10,000 a year of income in your life, an extra $75,000 to build your balance sheet? Pretty amazing deal. And this is one of the things that's happened with COVID, is a lot of our competition has left the market. They've disappeared, they don't have access to funding, they don't have access to private money, they're not sure where they're gonna get their capital from. We stepped in and paid all cash for this property on Warner Road. We didn't use my cash, we didn't use Tyler's cash, we used a private lender's money to fund this transaction. And so we were able to buy it with no money out of our pocket, rehab it with no money out of our pocket, stabilize it, refinance it, and cash flow. So we found this property where a real estate transaction entrepreneur, a real estate wholesaler, found this property, sold it to us, and that wholesaler made about a $5,000 assignment fee with less than 5 hours worth of work. So if you want to learn how to make $5,000 in 5 hours, click the link on your screen right now and learn our 5-hour flips system.